Have you ever wondered how banks manage their daily cash needs? It all happens behind the scenes in the interbank market. This is the wholesale market where financial institutions trade currencies and lend money to each other directly. The sheer scale is massive, with trillions of dollars in transactions occurring between major global banks every single day. Banks use this space to keep their reserves balanced and to swap currencies, which helps determine the interest rates we see in the wider economy. Unlike the retail market we use for personal banking, the interbank world operates on razor-thin margins and massive institutional volumes. Most interbank loans are extremely short-term, often lasting just overnight, ensuring banks always have the liquidity they need on hand. Think of it as the plumbing of the global economy. When it flows smoothly, the entire financial system stays healthy and functional. Understanding these mechanics helps you see the bigger picture of money. Like and follow for more finance basics explained simply.